It is the placement of the number. Very good. Over here, the value of the number. Now we're going to see if you are correct. I have the teaching here, and we're going to check it to see if you are correct. You are indeed correct. Place value involves the placement of the number and the value it holds, right? Now we have a place value chart in front of us. Can you see it? Can everybody see the place value chart? Very well. Now we'll be starting from our right hand. Now we just have random numbers, but we don't know the placement of it and we don't know the value. So we're here to find out. Starting from our right hand, we have what number is this? Who can tell what number this is? Yes, Michael, this is the number 6. Now 6 is in our ones column. Going down the line, we have tens column. Now which number is in the tens column? Very good, it's 0. We have here the hundreds column. What number is in the hundreds column? Inicia? 6 is in the hundreds column. Then we have 1. 1 is in which place value? It's in the thousands column. So we know the placement of these numbers. Now let us see the value of it. Here I have a place value table. We're going to use these same numbers, or do you want to use yours? Good, we're going to use your number. Give me a random number quickly. 4,000. 700. More, give me some more numbers. And good, so we have came up with our numbers. We already know the placement of each of these numbers. Remind me. What? Tens. What is tens neighbor? Hundreds, and then we have thousand. Now here what we're going to do. We're going to use numbers at the top of each of these place value to represent it. So how do you write the number 1? Show with your fingers. 1. Very good. How do you represent the number 10? 1 and a 0. Very well. How do you represent number 100? Because we're in the hundreds column. So how do you write 100? A 1 and a what? 0. Do you add the next 0? Good. You add the next 0. In our thousands column, how many zeros do you add? 3, 0, 1, and 3 zeros. Now let us look at the value of each of these digits. We already know the placement, so we're moving on to the value. So let's go. 2 ones will give us 2. How did I get 2 ones? Because 2 is in the ones column. Moving on. What is ones neighbor? We have 10. Now which number is in the tens column? We have 2. So it's going to be 2 times 10. Where did I get 10 from? Because the placement of 2 is in our tens column. Moving on. Good. Now which digit is in our hundreds column? Who can tell me? Yes, Michael, we have 7. 7 is in our hundreds column. So what do I write? 7 times 100, because 7 is in which column? It is in our hundreds column. Moving on. We have 4, and 4 is in which column? Thousands column. So what would it be? 4 times 1,000. Now here what we have to do. Do you know what we're doing? We're expanding these numbers. So far, we get the placement of it, the value of it, and now we will be expanding. Now this here is what you call expansion. So let's go. We're going to go down one number at a time. So here we go. 2 times 1, 2. Remember to use back your signs. 2 times 10 will give us 2 tens. If you have two $10 coins, I give this group 1, I give this group 1. How many $10 coins you have in this class? $20. Very good. Belong to 7 times 100. Now let us use money in this place. Now if I have $700 and I want to divide it, I'm giving Denicia 100 and giving Michael 100. So far I've given out $200. Moving over here, I give Denicia 1, Michael 1, Ryan 1, Nathan 1, and then I give Devon 1. So far I've given out $500. So how many $100 did I give out? Count yourself. How much? $700. Very good. So 7 times 100 will give us 700. I like that you know how to count money. Let's move on to the thousands. Now I have $4,000. I don't know what to do with it, so I'm going to share it out. I'm going to give Denicia 1,000, Michael 1,000, Ryan 1,000, and Paul 1,000. Count how many of you? How many thousand did I share out, class? $4,000. So it's going to be 4 times 1,000, which will give us what? 4,000. Now don't forget your brackets. I need to see brackets. Moving on. We're not finished. We have to add them up. So we have multiplied, now we're going to add. Now I want you to set it down the way I'm doing it here. So let's pay attention. Numbers on the numbers. So we're going to start with the first number, 4,000. What's the next number there? 700s. And can you see how I'm placing my numbers on each number on each number? Can you see that? Moving on to 20. Then we have what number here? 2 times 1? 2. Now what sign are we using? We are doing the plus sign because we are adding everything up. Plus, draw this up. I'm also looking for working, right? So let's go. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 will give us 2. 0 plus 0 plus 2 will give us 2 again. 0 plus 7 will give us 7. And 4 plus nothing will give us 4. So our answer is 4,000. Read the number for me. 4,722. So let's check it back. Go back to our place value table. Let's see if we have it. 4,722. So we are indeed correct. Give yourself a hand. Good. Now Miss Marasa is going to give you your activities. Now we have 3 groups. So I want you to put your knowledge on that worksheet or whatever sheet is prepared for you, right?
Good morning, learners. As Miss Shania would have just said, I will be giving you guys your activities to do. But you guys will be broken up into 3 groups. I will have group number 1, group number 2, and group number 3. Group number 1, your activity is to write the numbers on the place value chart. Group number 2, your activity is to match the number on the place value chart correctly. Group number 3, your task is to underline the number and write the value. Okay, learners, simmer down a little bit. You guys are being a little noisy. And now you guys only have 1 minute remaining. I will have someone from each group come and present what you guys did.
Good afternoon, class. So, at the beginning of the lesson, we looked at what? What was our mathematics topic for today? Place value. Very good. And can anybody remember what is place value? Position of a number. Yes. So we say place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. So we looked at 4 sets of place values. Can anybody name them? I'll take someone from this group. Alex, ones, very good. Jessica, tens, very good. Thomas, 100, very good. Rachel, thousands, very good. Give them a round of applause. So we looked at ones, tens, 100, and thousands. So if I'm to write 4 number on the board, can you identify which number is ones, which number is tens, which number is thousand, and which one is hundreds? Okay, so let us go. What is the place value of number 1? Rachel? Ones, very good. So we write ones. Alex, what is the place value of 3 in this number? Tens, very good. Jessica, what is the place value of 2 in this number? Hundreds, very good. And finally, the last number. Ryan, what is the place value of the last number? 4. Thousands, very good. So if we were to call this number, we would say 4,231. Okay? Good. So let us continue. So I am going to write some numbers on the board, and I will call your name, and you're going to tell me the place value of the number. Okay, class? So let's get started. So let us go with number 1. So I'm going to take someone from this group. Rachel. So we have a 4-digit number on the board. Can you tell me the place value of the underlined number on the board? What is that number? 3. Very good. So what is the place value of 3 in this number? Hundreds. Very good. Yes. The place value of this number is hundreds. Let's move on to the second one. I will take someone from this group. Fiona, what is the place value of the underlying number, which is 4? What is the place value of the number 4? Tens. Very good. I will take someone from this group now. Alex, what is the place value of the underlying number? 9. What is the place value of the underlying number 9? Thousands. Very good. everyone understand how to identify place value in the numbers? Right? So first number is 1, second number is 10, the third number is 100, and the fifth number is 1000. So everyone understand that, right? Good. So now we are going to be expanding some of the numbers. Can everyone remember how to expand numbers? Very good. So let us put it to a test now. So we're going to go with the first one. The first number is good. So let us expand this number. Alex, tell me what we have to do to expand this number. So we write 3,000 plus 200, very good, plus 40, very good, plus, oh, very good. Give Alex a round of applause. Rachel, you're going to expand this number. Good. 6,000 plus 900, very good, plus 80, very good, plus 7, very good. We're going to take someone from this group now. Aaron, let me hear. So, okay, 1,000 plus 300, very good, plus 50 plus 8, very good. So, I hope everyone enjoyed today's lesson. I hope you grasp the concept of place value. I hope every one of you understand place value. So everyone understand, everyone enjoy the lesson. Very good. That is all for today's mathematics work.